folks, we're back. We got the nicest Nissan Pathfinder SL on the East Coast. White diamond metallic tan leather loaded up, folks. It's got the third row. It's got the dual panel sunroof, the power rear gate, trailer tow package, non-smoker unit, one owner, 18 dealer service records, everything documented on this little lady. It's got the tan leather, heated second row, heated front row, power memory seats in the front. This is a really, really nice car, folks. Lightly smoked windows, non-smoker anywhere in this car, no accidents, no paint work, backup cam, triple zone climate, streaming audio, hands-free Bluetooth calling, satellite radio, power rear gate. You got a mud and snow weather package with the mats. Fully serviced, safety inspected, right off of a Honda, franchise Honda front line. This is a nice one, folks. No issues here. Guaranteed credit approval is in full effect on this vehicle, and we're going to start the down at $1,295. This is a 14 Nissan Pathfinder SL with a luxury package and a trailer tow pack, and we're going to start it at $1,295. That's correct. 2 current paycheck stubs, possible bank statement, 1 hour of your time. Come in and take a look at this lady. DasCleveland.com. By the way, we're going to go ahead and put a 3-month, 4,500-mile service contract over the drive line on this lady, free of charge. DasCleveland.com.